Welcome to the Western Ghats, where brooks babble. The trees reach for the skies. The cattle live free. And coffee is a way of life. Come, see how your cup of TrueSouth coffee is made. First, these lovely coffee berries are picked by experienced hands. These berries are then sorted carefully. And off they go to get processed. And after our geese give us the go-ahead, thank you geese, the processing begins. Leaves and twigs are removed, and the unripe berries are separated. The pulper removes the flesh and skin off the berries, revealing beans. The beans are then fermented to remove the mucilage. By the way, our coffee farm is certified by the UTS Rainforest Alliance, since our methods are truly sustainable. All the waste produced here is used as organic manure. P.S. No chemical fertilizers were used in the making of your coffee. The green beans are then sun-dried on barbecue bricks for 5 to 7 days to get the right moisture levels. The dried beans are then packed and sent to our state-of-the-art facility in Mysore. Here, we specialize in the alchemy of science and passion. The beans are first roasted as per carefully curated recipes. The roasted beans are ground to granules of the right size and then blended to perfection. Behind these closed doors, the alchemists perform their magic. Behold, a truly natural decoction with no preservatives, colors, or additives extracted using our proprietary process, packed hygienically, palletized and shipped straight from our plant to your home.